Hey guys, it's Kristy here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on a new Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette that I just received. It is the Moonchild Glow Kit. My friend actually was over in America and she bought this for me really kindly. So I just got it last night and I am going to be giving it a go. I'm really excited to try it. I was just looking online there to see where it is available in the UK because obviously I am in Northern Ireland. So it is available on Beauty Bay. So that is beautybay.com and it is £41 British, and that is also with free shipping. So it is, standard Anastasia Beverly Hills price. It's not exactly cheap, but you pay for what you get. So Anastasia has always been a really favorite brand of mine. I absolutely love their eyebrow products. So it is the first time I'll be trying their highlighters. So I'm really excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch this, see how it feels, and then I'm going to put it on my face and see how it looks. But before we jump into that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload. I also wanted to say I just recorded a review of the Cristal lenses by Solotica in both Hydrocore and natural colours. So if you fancy checking that out, just check the description bar down below. I'll have a link to it in there. So this is the palette here. The packaging is really pretty. The outer sleeve just looks like this here. And then here are all the shades here. So I think from looking at it, it looks like it's going to be really good for my fair skin tone. There is a range of sort of white, grey, purple, another purple, a more sort of golden colour, and then a pink right here. I also really like the names: Blue Ice, Star, Purple Horseshoe, Blue Moon, Lucky Clover, and Pink Heart. So really pretty right there. I'll go ahead and I'll swatch them on my arm so I can get a feel of how soft they are, and also just to see how they look on the skin. But obviously you can't really tell sometimes from swatches how it's actually going to go on the face. So obviously I'll then be trying them on my face. So we have Blue Ice, Star, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, Blue Mountain. So Blue Ice seems to be a bit more glittery, it's very dramatic. It would be really nice for going out to a festival or for a night out. Star is more of a sort of shimmery, light reflective silver colour. It's really beautiful. More of a daytime, everyday, wear to work or the night out kind of highlighter. Purple Horseshoe is again a little bit more glittery, really purple, perfect for a night out, for a dramatic look or for a festival. Pink Heart is both glittery but also light reflecting, so I think you could get away with this one for a daytime look, even for wearing to work. It is a little bit more dramatic than say Star, but I definitely think you could get away with this one. Lucky Clover, I actually thought this was a golden one, but it's actually got a green reflect in it, which is really nice. This one again is just light reflecting, so definitely a day-to-day type of highlighter, but with a twist. You know, that green color is quite unusual, so definitely a highlighter with a twist. And then Blue Moon here is not glittery, it has just light reflecting properties. It is almost like a very pale lilac / blue, so a very everyday highlighter, definitely suitable for work. Really pretty. They're all absolutely gorgeous. So I can't wait to try these on my face. I think I'm going to try Star on my cheekbones. I'm going to try Lucky Clover on my inner corners, and I'll go from there. I'll just decide as I go along. So I have my Morphe fan brush. This is the M143, and I'm just going to dip into Star there. So you can see there, that is so pretty. It is not glittery at all, just really light reflecting. I managed to build it up there to be quite blinding, but you can have it quite natural. So if you wanted something super natural for work or even for school, depending on if you're allowed to wear makeup to school, you could definitely get away with this one. But I have built it up to be pretty blinding. I do be pretty extra in work and I do go for pretty blinding highlight, but it's not sort of glittery or anything, so it's not too much. So that is really nice. I've just cleaned off my brush and I'm just going to go in actually with Blue Moon on the other cheek just to see how that turns out. Wow, really nice. I was able to build that up there to be more blinding, but you could definitely get away with putting on sort of one layer and having it more natural. It is more sort of a purpley sheen than the Star. So if you have very, very super pale skin, this will look gorgeous. I really like both of those. These are both going on really, really smooth. They're not emphasizing my texture. They do feel very sort of, they do glide on and they're very buttery. So, and that's definitely the way they felt when I swatched them. So I'm not really surprised there that they've gone on really beautifully onto the skin. They're absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to do a little bit of this Lucky Clover, and that's the greener shade. And I'm just going to pop that in my inner corner. I've got my little Kira Daily brush here. It actually doesn't have a brush name on it, but it's just part of their sort of set. It's just a little small brush, and I'm just going to pop this in the inner corner. It actually complements my contacts quite well because they are green. So really beautiful. Stunning, really gorgeous. I imagine this is almost like Electric from the Subculture palette. That was a sheer eyeshadow that had a green shift to it, so this is almost like a highlighter version of it. It's really unusual but really beautiful on the inner corners. I never thought I would like this colour on my inner corners, but I'm really, really surprised. It's really, really brightening. So I've just cleaned off my brush and I'm going to go in with some of this Blue Ice shade. It is a slightly more glittery highlighter, so I'm going to go in on my brow bone with that one. I think it'll capture the light really nicely on there. Oh wow. Oh, you can see how purple that one is. I didn't realise when I swatched it on my arm that it had such a purple reflect. Wow, that one's stunning. It doesn't really go with my eyeshadow, granted, but that one's really beautiful. I think if you wanted a really blinding highlight for really pale skin, that would be gorgeous, especially on a night out. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Purple Horseshoe on the other brow bone. Again, it's more of a sort of glittery shade. It is very purple in the pan. I actually think those ones are quite similar, but again, really, really beautiful. Next, I think I'll take a little bit of this Pink Heart. I love pink highlighters, like they just complement my skin tone really nicely. And I'm going to take, wow, that's really soft. I just took a little bit on this Morphe sort of angled brush, and I actually dug into it too hard. So you only need to pounce a little bit in the pan. Just going to run this on the end of my nose, and then a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Oh wow, that's actually really nice over my lipstick. Oh wow. And then I think I'll take a little bit of Star again. So that's the silvery shade. Just run it over my forehead. I really need to get a new mirror. This one is so crappy looking. I apologize. So my favorite ones, the ones that I would wear day to day, would be definitely Star. So that's just this one here. Gorgeous, so natural, but you can build it up to be quite blinding, but it blends really well into the skin. It doesn't emphasize my texture. It really, really blends nicely into my blush and my contour that I have on there. So this is definitely a fantastic day-to-day shade. I do also really like Blue Moon and Pink Heart. Again, perfect day-to-day shades. My biggest surprise was this Lucky Clover. It is stunning on the inner corner, really beautiful, really, really emphasizes my eyes and actually brings out the color of my contacts. So if you do have green eyes, perfect choice. I never thought I would go for a green highlighter, but I'm really shocked by that one. It's really, really surprised me, so big thumbs up for that one. These Blue Ice and the Purple Horseshoe, very dramatic, perfect for really pale skin tones that want to have a super dramatic highlight for a night out. And I just think overall this is an amazing palette. You get a lot of different choices there. You get a lot of different shades. Again, I would say pale skin tones would suit this. If you're more sort of medium, I think you could get away with Pink Heart and a little bit of Star. The Star might just come off a little bit grey on you, so just be careful with that one. Maybe mix it in with a gold or something that you might already have, but perfect for pale skin tones. I wouldn't really recommend it for deeper skin tones, but I am really pleasantly surprised. My first time trying Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighters. I'm definitely going to use this going forward, and thanks very much to my friend who purchased it for me. I really appreciate it. fantastic present. So that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below with any questions you have or any sort of more products that you would like to see me try. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload. Also, all my other social media links will be down below if you want to follow me on there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!